The all-new Mustang R-Series skid steer loaders replace the previous models in the large frame category and incorporate several enhanced features designed to meet the needs of the industry. New, redesigned operator area with spacious entries, enhanced controls, digital displays, improved visibility and unsurpassed creature comforts. The new R-Series skid steer loaders have spacious operator stations with plenty of adjustability and enhanced comfort features that users have come to expect from Mustangs. The extra large side screens provide good visibility to the side work area, along with lowered rear towers. The Mustang 1650R is fitted with factory air conditioning, available as an option. Auxiliary controls are located on the control grip in both control configurations for easy access and ease of use. The Mustang R-Series skid steer loaders are fitted with proven and reliable Yanmar engines. The 1350R is fitted with the Yanmar 4TNV88, producing 46.9 horsepower. The 1650R. The new and improved series have enhanced hydraulic performance with improved cycle times, increased auxiliary flow and impressive breakout forces.